For this next part, you will need your scissors, your writing tool, the extra paper. Cut out one of the tangrams squares, one of the squares. Write your name at the top. So you'll write your name. Next, you will trace the outside of the tangram, the whole square, like that. I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to do this again on the bottom. The next step is to cut out the squares and the individual shapes. You'll want to be careful to make sure you are cutting precisely on the lines so we don't change the shape. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the shapes of one of my tangrams and then do the remaining tangrams. Now I have all of my shapes cut up. So here's my task. Ready? Make new squares using the tangrams, and the tangrams must fit exactly into the square. So I can't have shapes out in this area. It has to exactly fit within here. Also, a challenge is to label the fractional parts. I'm going to show you an example. If I were to take these large triangles, how could I fit them? Ooh, maybe like that? How was it? Oh my goodness. Maybe like that? This is really making me think. If you see it right away, it's probably driving you crazy watching me do this. Maybe it was like this. And, like this? Oh, let me find another large one. I'm seeing it now. Do you remember that Post-it pal that said one large triangle was 1/7? I'm looking here and seeing that one large triangle is actually 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4, my whole. Ooh, I'm noticing 2/4 equals 1/2. So now it's your turn. The last step is to take your glue or your glue stick and glue the tangram pieces onto the square and make sure you label your parts. Thank you. One of our Post-it pals has a question. May I use different sizes of tangrams to fill the square? Absolutely. Let's look at an example. I can use different sizes of shapes, but I want to think about my labeling. So watch as I try to figure this out. How would these go together? Oh, I think I see it. So would I label each of these parts 1/4? Are they the same? No. I would want to think about how many of the smaller triangles can I fit in the hole? Let's see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each of these parts would be 1/8. 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 2/8, which is equal to 1/4.